Hello bachcho, let's see this question. The question says a solenoid having an inductance of 9.70 microhenry is connected in series with a 1.20 kilo ohm resistor A. If a 14 volt battery is connected across the pair, how long it will take for the current through the resistor to reach 40% of its final value? B. What is the current through the resistor at time t equal to 0.50 tau L? So in this question we have given the inductance value L as 9.70 microhenry, which is 9.70 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6 Henry. R is equals to 1.20 kilo ohm, which is 1.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 ohm, and the V value is equals to 14 volt. Now in question we have given an inductor which is connected in series with a resistor. L value is given in the question and R value is also given, and both of these pair are connected with a voltage value which is V is equals to 14 volt. Now in the A part we have to calculate the time, and in the B part we have to calculate the current value at time t equals to 0.50 tau L. Now for a LR circuit, the growth of current I is given by the following relationship, and the I is V by R 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau L, where tau L is the inductive time constant and whose value is tau L is equals to L by R. Now for the maximum value through the resistor we will use the Ohm's law, which is V is equals to IR. So I is equals to V by R. So this is the maximum value. Let's suppose this is I naught. This is the maximum value through the resistor. So on substituting the value of this in the equation 1, one can get I is equals to I naught 1 minus e to the power. We also substitute the value of tau L, which is minus R t by L. Let's suppose this is our equation 2. Now according to equation we have given the situation that it is the value of I is 40% of the final value. That means I is equals to 40% of I naught. That means 40 by 100 multiplied by I naught. So this is the value of I. So on substituting the value of I in equation 2, we will get 40 by 100 I naught is equals to I naught 1 minus e to the power minus R t by L. So I naught and I naught are cancelled, 1 0 and 1 0 cancel. 4 by 10 is 2 by 5. So this is 2 by 5, 1 minus e to the power minus R t by L. So this is 1 minus 2 by 5 is equals to e to the power minus R t by L, which is 3 by 5 is equals to e to the power minus R t by L. Now taking log both side, we will get ln 3 by 5 is equals to minus R t by L. So this is ln of A by B, which is ln of A minus ln of B is equals to minus R t by L. So on substituting the value of ln 3 and ln 5 and subtracting, we will get minus 0.511 is equals to minus R t by L. Minus and minus sign are cancel out. So this is, and we have to calculate T. So this is L by R multiplied by 0.511. We know the value of L and R. So on substituting the value of L and R, L is 9.70 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6 and R is 1.20 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 multiplied by 0.511. So on simply mathematically calculating the value of T, we will get T is equals to 4.129 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 9 second. Now which can be written as 4.13 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 9 second. Now minus 9 is nano. So T is equals to 4.13 nanosecond. So this is the T value which is asked in the part A. So this is our answer of part A. Now for part B, we have to calculate the I value at T is equals to 0.5 tau L. So we know I is given by V by R 1 minus e to the power minus T by tau L. We know the value of V, R and also T. So on substituting all these value, we will get V is equals to 14 volt, R is equals to 1.20 multiplied by 10 to the power 3, 1 minus e to the power minus 0.5 tau L by tau L. Tau L and tau L are cancel out. So this is I is equals to 14 divided by 1.20 multiplied by 10 to the power 3, 1 minus e to the power minus 0.5. So on simply mathematically calculating this value, we will get the value of I is equals to 4.59 multiplied 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, which is I is equals to 4.59 milliampere, because 10 to the power minus 3 is milli. So this is our answer of part B. I hope you got this concept. Thank you and all the best.